Come test drive the 2019 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.